So many avenues in aviation.
If I can do it, anyone can do it.
There's a lot of truth to the name legacy, and we're building legacies here.
The very first thing you do is to take the flight lesson just to get a feel of the airplane.
You're having your ground classroom work, but then you're going right back out there and you're flying from day one.
Here is understanding. You know how to fly. That sticks to your brain forever.
Number one rule is safety. That's why we have these licenses. You gotta pay attention to detail.
Starting from Department of Homeland Security, we have a partnership which allows us to issue M1 student visas for international students so they can come here and they get their pilot's license. They're all federal licenses and they're all worth college credits. We offer the best of both worlds. On one side, we're FAA certified flight school with the FAA approved syllabus, partnership with the Department of Homeland Security, visas, structured flight training. On the other hand, complete flexibility on scheduling and on payments.
We match students with instructors who have similar schedules. You're never being rushed, and it's one-on-one.
We have our graduates in Air Force and major airlines.
Seeing someone go from zero to flight instructor, that's what we do this for.
Now I'm here sharing the knowledge I got.
You set your mind to it, and it is an attainable dream.
I've grown so much as an individual in every aspect of my life.
Seeing the smile.
It's so rewarding. It actually changed somebody's life.